This is a great poem by Robert Louis Stevenson. I am going to read this poem twice, and in between the two readings I'm going to explain quickly with pictures a few words and phrases which I will put in red. The first time through we'll read it slowly. Ready? Here goes. From a Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows the horses and cattle, all of the sights of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. And ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles, all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. That's it. Now, this is a poem about someone riding in a railway carriage, which is a room on a train. A hedge is a sort of fence made out of a shrub or bush. A ditch is a long, low place where water can run off from a road or field. Troops, of course, are soldiers. A meadow is a grassy field, a place where you might find cattle, which just means cows and bulls. Driving rain is heavy or blowing rain, as in a storm. Ever again means every now and then, and this, by the way, is a train station painted yellow, so it's a painted station. A bramble is any bush or vine with sharp thorns. Tramp is an old-fashioned word for a poor person without a home, one who moves around a lot. To gaze is to stare, to look in one direction for a long time. The poem talks about stringing the daisies, which means making a chain out of daisies, a daisy chain. To lump along would be to move heavily, as a heavy cart would. A load is just anything heavy that is carried. An old-fashioned mill, in case you haven't seen one, looks like this on the outside, and is a building where a stream turns a wheel, which powers a big heavy machine for grinding grain. Finally, a glimpse is a quick look.